Welcome to Hallie's Creations. We are doing this cute little bunny wreath. It's super easy peasy to do. Got it from the Dollar Tree, so let's do this. This is going to be a super fast one too. So the form is already made. You pick it up at the Dollar Tree for $5, and then just pick up a few florals there, or if you have some laying around the house, Dollar Tree. There's a little tag there telling you that. And here we go. Cute flowers. These ones have like little patterns on them. One of the things that I did at the Dollar Tree, and I'm just showing you the materials here, or here, however I upload this. We are going to zip tie these on, and here's why. We're getting into the spring season, and if you glue gun things on, stick it outside. If you're in a warm area, the chances of them falling apart are very likely. So we are going to zip tie them. So here I'm going to show you how to make a bow, and this is pretty easy peasy. Now I'm showing you the ribbon first. I picked that up at Sam's Club last year after the holiday when they blew it out. Remember too that after you buy your materials after the holidays, you can get them 75 to even 90% off depending on where you're getting them from. So here what I'm doing is I'm measuring it off, and remember that rule, measure twice, cut once. So here we're looping it, and you always want to make sure that if you zigzag it, you may lose that the pattern, so you want to loop it. We're making bunny ears. See how I'm doing that little bunny ears? So you're going to make 2 loops, and then you're also going to leave the length for the tail to come off on both sides. See how I'm folding it now? I'm folding it now. That's going to give you the center. So 2 loops, cut a couple of strips off where you have that little pop in the center. And then we're going to just snip the sides, because this is a wide ribbon. So anything that's 2 inches or more, you want to give it a little snip where the zip ties will go through, and it'll lay better on your project. So I'm showing you just a little snip snip. Picked up these zip ties, if you can believe it, at the Dollar Tree. Usually they don't have the colored ones, but now they do. At least out where I live, they do. So I grabbed some zip ties, and we're going to zip tie that on. And this is just a good little time for me to remind you to subscribe and set your notify so you don't miss out on future shares, and also to remind you as well that I have on my channel a ton of different playlists that you can go on. So if you're a DIYer, crafter, or artist, it's all there. Even jewelry, glass painting. Check it out. Check out the different playlists I have there. So now here we're going back to the project. What I have here is I took the little eggs from one of the other projects that I did. I thinned it out a little bit, and I popped those on, and then I'm showing you here to use the right kind of cutters. Don't use your scissors to cut these wires and stuff. Get yourself a nice heavy cutter. You can get those at Lowe's, Home Depot, pretty much anywhere that's a hardware store, even Amazon. So there you go. Have the right tools to do the job. It just makes it so much easier too. You invest $5 to $10 for them, and you have them forever. They last forever. So here we're just going to lay it out the way we want, get a visual for it, and then we're going to zip tie it to the form. It's that easy. I wanted to do one that pretty much anyone could do. This is so easy. So probably you're going to spend about $10 on materials for this, 15 tops. And it also depends on, you know, the ribbon you want to get and stuff like that. And you have a cute little spring centerpiece. It doesn't have to be just for Easter. Anyone that knows me, I'm not really into the Easter thing. I'm more into Resurrection Sunday. That's what it's about. But the bunnies and stuff are really cute. That springy. Hey, my mom's name was Bunny, so what can I say? Bunnies are kind of a special spot. So, yeah. So just remember to like and subscribe if you are enjoying these shares, so you don't miss out on future shares and such. So now we're just going to finish zip tying it on, and that's pretty much it. This particular form comes with the ring on the back already. If you get one that doesn't have the ring, a cute ribbon tied around or even a zip tie, just leave it loose, will work. So let's just recap. We picked up the flowers at the Dollar Tree. We picked up the wreath form at the Dollar Tree. And the zip ties we picked up where? The Dollar Tree. So everything is, this is a Dollar Tree project. Super easy peasy. And the ribbon we picked up at, of course, after the spring, I told you I picked it up at Sam's Club. Costco has it too, as well as the Dollar Tree would have it as well. And that's it. That's it. So just enjoy this little project. Have fun with it. Be adventurous. Don't be worried about what other people are going to think about your things. If you're enjoying it, you're doing it. That's what counts. You like it, it's all good. So we're just going to twist and fluff this ribbon now, because you notice how it's all pushed up. We're going to get in there, add a few accents, you'll see. So now we're filling it in, making it a little bit fluffier. Sometimes you can do it. And what I'm doing is I'm just shoving those right into that form underneath the zip ties, and it'll hold nice and tight. And we're going to fluff out the bow, twist and fluff. Remember that? Twist and fluff, twist and fluff, twist and fluff. Be aggressive, and you're done. So until next time, thank you for dropping in. Remember to check out that playlist on Hallie's Creations and see all the different things that we have made for you that you can go in and learn how to do the jewelry, the painting, the wreaths, the crafts, and all that fun stuff. So there you go. Have a good day and a better tomorrow. May the Lord bless you and keep you, and peace out. Bye. It's looking good.